Let's take a quick look at the HOTLIGH. The HOTLIGH. The HOTLIGH? Yeah, how the heck do you say that, guys? HOTLIGH? HOTLIGH. I have no idea, but we're going to take a look at it. All right, so let's open this up. What is it? It's a light. So if it was me, I'd call it the HOTLIGH or the HOLIGH. That does not sound good. Forget that I said that. It comes with a quick start guide right here. It comes with a little thank you card. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And what is it? It is a super cool looking work light. So here it is. It's got a heavy duty, looks metal case. I don't know if that's magnetic, if it's steel or if it's, well, it is magnetic. Yeah, this magnet's connecting to it. And here we go. So on the bottom, it has like a rubber cap, I guess, so it can set on a surface like this. You see that? And then it has this built-in hook. So you can hook it on something. As that's what hooks are for, right? So you can hook it. And when you're not using the hook, you just pop that back in place. And then this unfolds. And here we have our strip of our LED strip. It looks like a lightsaber. Yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. And what do we have? We have the USB-C charging port there when we want to charge the batteries. We've got this dial that we use to turn it on. We have several different settings: warm, white, top, and UV. Ah, top. That might be what this is. There's an LED here at the end. And then this is a strip of LEDs. You're probably saying, how bright does this thing get? Well, let me tell you. It has a maximum of 1500 lumens. That is in this bar light right here. And if you have it on the high setting, it can run for 4 hours. It also has a 250 lumen mode, which will run for 10 hours. If it's in the warm setting, it's got the same thing, 1500 lumens and 250 lumens in the same time frame, 4 hours, 10 hours. And if you're using the spotlight here, it will go a maximum of 150 lumens for 24 hours or 50 lumens for 32 hours. I have not charged it yet because you saw me get it out of the box, but we're going to go ahead and see if it turns on anyway. I'm going to turn this off just to see. And let's see what happens when I turn this little knob. Oh, it's got a button. Okay, so let me turn this back off and off again. So the knob is just for the mode, and the inside is a button to turn it on. So right now it's set to the white light mode. If I press it once, okay, if I press it once, it is the 1500 lumens. Press it again, it's the 250 lumens. Am I telling you right? Yes. If I press it again, it turns off. So that was the white light. Okay, so now let's turn this off. Let's go to the warm light. There's warm. You can see it looks more yellow. And there's the lower setting and off. Let's go to the top, which is this. And let's turn that on. There we go. That is the 150 lumens. And then there is 50 lumens. No. Okay, I had it wrong. I just looked at it, so now I'm blind. Okay, so 150. And then there is 50. Off. 150 lumens, 50 lumens, off. Okay? And then it also has a UV mode. Let's check out that. So it's, oh, it's got some LEDs here for the battery capacity. You can see that it's only lighting up 2 dots, so that doesn't mean I need to charge it up. So where, okay, here, sorry, I'm going all over the place, guys. This is where your UV light, I don't know if you can see that, but it is blue. I will get a dollar bill and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, let's try the UV light again. And I want to show you, can you see that bar right there? You see the strip right between my thumb and index finger? See that? So the UV function is working. That's cool. Let's turn that off. Okay, so this is a really nice light. Let me turn this back on. I like the feel of it. I like that you can adjust this light head, light bar. So you can set it here and say you're, you know, wanting to shine a light on a certain area, like if you're under your desk or doing wires or something like that, you can adjust this. Or maybe you just want to shine some light on your desktop while you're doing some work on something. You can do that too. You know, you could be working on something, have some extra light. The light's real nice. I like that. It's got a nice spread. It's not like a spotlight where there's a really bright hot spot. It's pretty nice. It's well made. I like that it can fold up. It fits easily in a drawer. You could even put it down and do that if you wanted to. When it's on, the handle does not get hot. This part gets a little warm, but I'm talking just warm, not hot. Maybe if you left it on the 1500 lumens for a half an hour, it might get hot. Let's do that test. So I've got my infrared thermometer here. I'm going to turn it on white, and I'm going to turn it on the 1500 lumens. And we're going to see how warm this gets, just to make sure that we won't get burned if we forget and touch this part after it's been on for a while. So the 1500 lumens has a runtime of 4 hours. Well, I'm not going to run it that long. I'm going to run it for, let's say, 15 minutes. Okay, and let's check to see what the temperature of this is right now. Right now it is 83.5. It is a little warm because I've been playing around with it, but remember that, 83.5. And I'm going to turn it on the 1500 lumens setting, and I'm going to set a timer, and then when it's finished I will do another test with this. Okay, we can't see it. I'll do another test with this and we'll see how hot this top surface has gotten. I'll be back in 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
Let me turn this light off and let's see how hot this is now. It is 105.5 degrees now. So let me touch it. It's warm, but you can see I've got my hand on here. It is not burning me. It is just warm. Actually feels good because my hands are cold right now. So there we go. That's what it does. Super easy. Close this up. I don't know why this light is still on for these LEDs for the battery. When the light is turned off, oh, there it goes. It just has a, I guess it shows it for a little bit and then it turns off after a bit. This is a really nice light. I like it. I just like it because it's compact. It's super easy to use. It has this hook if you want to hang it and shine a light that way, out that way. Or, you know, like I said, you can set it down here and do a light. You can set it here and do a bunch of different lights. And just the extra features of having the spotlight. You know, say you're under the hood of your car and you want to, you know, zero in on something going on in your car. Where the heck is the light? You can, you know, get right down in there and see it. You see it really close. Or, you know, if you want to, you can check to see if your cash is counterfeit. So that's kind of cool. It's got some cool features. This is going to stay in my toolbox.